Every business can face disruptions, from natural disasters to power outages, cyber incidents, and supply chain disruptions. Without preparation, disruptions can stop operations and cause significant losses. With the right plan, businesses can respond quickly. The Business Resilience Toolkit gives your business a simple 5-pillar framework to prepare, respond, recover, and rebuild. Start by preparing your business. Identify risks using the self-check or preparedness checklist. Then develop your business continuity plan, a simple document that tells your team exactly what to do when disruptions hit. When a disruption hits, activate your business continuity plan immediately. Protect your people and your assets, and record every loss as it happens. This is critical for insurance claims and recovery planning. After the disruption, assess damage and losses. Plan your recovery based on time, from immediate restart to full recovery. Businesses with a business continuity plan consistently recover faster. For larger disruptions, reconstruction begins. Businesses can rebuild and support wider recovery through goods, services, and partnerships. When disasters strike, businesses need cash fast. Parametric insurance gives you that. It pays automatically when a weather event reaches a set level in your area. No forms, no assessor, no waiting. Cash in your account within 14 days, from around $8 per month. Getting covered takes less than 15 minutes. This is the cycle that protects your business. Preparedness builds your plan. Response activates it. Recovery gets you back on your feet. Reconstruction rebuilds stronger. And parametric insurance ensures cash is never the reason your business can't recover. Download the Business Resilience Toolkit today. Complete the forms, build your plan, and prepare your business before disruption occurs, because prepared businesses recover faster, rebuild stronger, and protect their people.